Hi guys, you're watching Crazy Innovations, and today we're gonna take a look at the top 10 fastest jets ever made. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to turn on your notifications. That way you will never miss any of our new videos. Enjoy. Number 10. The Sukhoi Su-27. The Su-27 Flanker is a Soviet-origin super-maneuverable twin-engine fighter aircraft capable of achieving speeds of Mach 2.35. It is equipped with a 30 mm gun and 10 hardpoints for external weapons. Flanker was built to rival the American fourth-generation fighters like the F-15 Eagle and F-14 Tomcat for air superiority. Number 9. General Dynamics F111 Aardvark. F111 Aardvark is not a fighter but a tactical bomber capable of flying at speeds of Mach 2.5. It had before its retirement in 1998 9 hardpoints and 2 weapon bays, and together being able to deliver a payload of 14,300 kilograms of bomb, a nuclear bomb, air-to-air missiles, or a 2,000 round machine gun. However, due to the Aardvark's role in air, it was rarely fitted with a machine gun. Number 8. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The F-15 Strike Eagle is a twin-engine all-weather fighter that is the backbone for the Air Force's air superiority. Its proven design is undefeated in air-to-air combat with more than 100 aerial combat victories. The Eagle's twin-engine and thrust-to-weight ratio of almost 1:1 can propel the 18,000 kg aircraft to more than 2.5 times of the speed of sound. The F-15 has been claimed to be one of the most successful aircraft ever built and is still in service with the US Air Force. MiG-31 Foxhound. With a top speed of Mach 2.83, the Mikoyan MiG-31 Foxhound is a Russian-built interceptor aircraft. It is designed to go straight and very fast in order to intercept and destroy invading planes. It was inducted in Russian Air Force as a modernized replacement to the MiG-25 Foxbat in the late 1970s and early 1980s. Number 6. The XB-70 Valkyrie. The XB-70 Valkyrie was a unique aircraft with 6 engines, which together could accelerate the 240,000 kg aircraft to a velocity of Mach 3. This speed resulted in the frame of the aircraft being heated up to as much as 330 degrees centigrade on some areas. The aircraft had its first flight in 1964 and is now retired. Only 2 XB-70 Valkyrie were ever built. Number 4. Mikoyan MiG-25 Foxbat. The Mikoyan MiG-25 was a super-fast interceptor and reconnaissance bomber aircraft. First flown as a prototype in 1964, it entered service in 1970. With a top speed of Mach 3.2, the MiG-25 worried Western observers and promoted the development of the F-15 Eagle program. Number 3. Lockheed YF-12. This jet was an American interceptor prototype with a top speed of Mach 3.35. It looked almost like the SR-71 but featured 3 air-to-air missiles. Only 3 YF-12s were ever built, but the program still made it into the history books with its highest speed, highest altitude, and biggest interceptor records. Number 2. Lockheed Martin SR-71 Blackbird. The SR-71 was developed as a long-range strategic reconnaissance aircraft capable of flying at speeds over Mach 3.2 and at 85,000 feet. It features stealth technology, but if it was against all odds spotted by the enemy forces, it could outrun the interceptors or surface-to-air missiles that were fired at it due to its fantastic speed. After its introduction in 1966, it has been used by both the United States Air Force and NASA. 32 Blackbirds were built, all used for reconnaissance and experimental research. Number 1. North American X-15. This aircraft has the current world record for the fastest manned aircraft. Its maximum speed was Mach 6.7, which is about 7,200 km per hour, which it attained on the 3rd October 1967. Well, that's it for today. If you like the video, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.